A professor's job at Providence College was on the line for possessing the emergency contraceptive Plan B at San Diego Mesa College. An essay thesis that associated the Republican Party with fascism led to a professor being investigated. A medical student in Eastern Virginia was banned from starting a club to promote health care reform, and other cases reported at the University of California, North Carolina, and Texas.
We urge universities that are bound by the First Amendment, like University of Guam, to protect professors' free speech rights, their academic freedom, and allow them to do their job.
These are the victories among the nearly 1,000 cases the nonprofit group FIRE has taken on.
We saw a lot of this during the recent election, midterm elections. We saw it when, just generally around any election where professors seek to get their opinions heard by their fellow students, their faculty, the media, and professors have the First Amendment right to comment on these issues, especially when it's not disruptive of university operations and when they're speaking in their personal capacities.
Zachary Greenberg is a senior program officer with the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression, or FIRE, defends and promotes the value of free speech in campuses. On their roster, the case between Professor Ron McNinch and the University of Guam during this year's election. Dr. McNinch wrote an email to students and staff among the Great Debate event, which UOG contends goes against their policy. He was reprimanded. UOG declined comment, stating it's a personnel matter. Greenberg says the punishment does not fit what UOG is alleging.
We explained how the university was violating this professor's First Amendment rights by punishing him for expressing his political opinions.
FIRE was disappointed with UOG's response.
We got a very terse rejection from the University General Counsel, essentially denying all of our claims without explanation.
FIRE now giving UOG until January 3rd to respond. In the meantime, Dr. McNinch expects to have his appeal heard before the UOG Board of Regents in January, but Greenberg is pushing for the case to be resolved much sooner.
We urge him to do the right thing, following the law, following the Constitution, and by rescinding this punishment on one of its faculty for him expressing himself. And we believe that University of Guam's punishment violates this professor's free speech rights, and the university has a legal obligation to rectify this violation.
While FIRE continues to take on cases across the nation, he shares this message to others uncertain about their rights.
We're always available at thefire.org to defend the free speech rights of students and faculty on college campuses. If you'd like to reach out to us, please do. We're happy to review your situation and get back to you as soon as we can.
Daniel Perez, KUAM News.